So I'm just making some breakfast right now. I am going to make myself some instant coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and head over to Target and where else did I want to go? Home Goods. There's something that I have been looking for. My key holder, the one that you put on the wall, came off and I need a new one. So I have a croissant that I'm gonna put some eggs and some avocado on it, and then I have my mug over here to make myself some coffee. So here's my little breakfast. I have my croissant with just eggs and some avocado and my coffee. And also this thing right here, I really wanted to add some nice Valentine's decorations to this thing, but I didn't want it to be too overwhelming. So I just found that little heart from Walmart, and then I got these really cute heart marshmallows at Target, and then this candles from Target as well. These other little spoons, these little hearts are so cute. I got these a while back. I just really like this little cute setup. I am probably going to add a little bit more things like to the side here, or I don't know, but I really wanted to keep it simple. And then these towels here I got from Walmart as well. They're so cute. I absolutely love them. You can really use it throughout the whole year, so I'm obsessed with these. I'm in the middle of cleaning and I was about to vacuum. I only have a few area rugs. This is a vacuum that I had been working with for a while, but as you can see, it has a ton of hair that gets stuck in there, and I always have to be taking it apart to remove all of that, and it's so annoying. But then I finally got my Shark cordless vacuum, and this one is the Pet Plus anti-allergen complete seal vacuum, and it is exactly what I had been looking for. It was just so hard to get. I had looked everywhere for it and I could not find it anywhere until I went into the Costco website, and that is where I ended up ordering it from. So it finally arrived and I'm so excited to use it. This is the Power Fence, which is what I had been wanting, something that didn't have this, because the current vacuum that I have has this type of roll, and I had been wanting something like this. I do have to charge it. I think they say it takes a long time to charge, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box, put it together and charge it up. I'm so excited for this and all of the features that it has. It has a clean touch dirt ejector, so that's a really nice feature. That way you don't have to get your hands dirty to remove anything. And then it has a removable battery that you can charge anywhere, which is really good. And it has LED headlights and it has some accessories there. It comes with the true HEPA filtration, which traps all of those allergens and dust. And right now in the winter time, with the heater going off very frequently, it seems like a lot of dust comes out. So that's a really nice feature that it has. It can trap all of that. So here are all of the pieces laid out. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out of this wrapping. And so here are all of the pieces that it came with. It came with the charger to charge it with, and then it has this tool here with a little brush, and then it has this other tool which is really nice to use on the corners, and then it has this other one as well that is really nice to use like on your couches to really get in there. It has this little kind of like a velvet type of material, which is really nice. I just finished charging the vacuum. It's fully charged. I haven't used it just yet. It took, I want to say, about 4 hours or so, probably a little bit less because I did end up leaving the house. So as you can see here, the little guide, it tells you how to maintain and clean the filter. It tells you when the vacuum is in low battery and when it's fully charged. It has the little 3 lines there. It also has a removable battery. It also tells you the power settings here, which one to use it for carpet and your bare floors. I just cleaned the rug. Literally, that is all I cleaned. Yeah, that little vacuum that I had been using before was not cleaning properly at all. It was not doing a good job. So I just removed the handheld thing. I just press this little button here and it releases it very easily. And then I just attached this tool here and it was really easy to put together. It had this little sticker that came off and I didn't know where it came off from. I think this is where it came off from. So it has this little handle and you just pull it and it's going to have more power to vacuum in like really hard areas. So that's really nice. I didn't notice it until right now when this little sticker came off. So that's a nice little feature that it has. I went from this vacuum here to this one over here. It does a great job in everything and it's just super convenient. I no longer have to worry about connecting this one and the wire not being long enough. So that's really nice that this one is wireless and very convenient to take anywhere in your house and vacuum any floor. And it's just a great vacuum overall. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop by Home Goods. I ended up going to Walmart instead of Target just because it was on the way. I had to run some errands and Walmart was just on the way. I have been in the hunt for a nice little bowl for a decoration to hold my keys and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for that because I went to the at-home store and I did find really nice bowls, but I think they were really overpriced and I really don't want to pay that much money for a bowl. I'm hoping that I can find it at Home Goods. So I just got back from Home Goods and I ended up finding a bowl that was really cute. I really fell in love with it. It was a nice wooden bowl and it had little legs like a stand, and it was perfect. The only thing with that is that they were coming apart and the bowl had some chipping. So my thought process was that I was going to buy a glue or something to put the legs together, and then, well, I'm gonna have to deal with the little chips, but I didn't think it was worth it. It was only $20. It really wasn't expensive, but not for $20. I did not want to pay that when the legs were already coming apart and then it had chipping on the sides. So I told the lady, can I get a discount because they're coming apart? It was $20. She brought it down to $17. I'm like, no, that's fine. I don't want it. So I ended up getting this bowl, which is super cute. It's a nice little bowl like this. I like the detailing here. I do have like a tray that kind of matches this in the dining table, so I think this is so cute and I really like the style. I really have been into the wooden decor and all of the beige and brown tones, so I thought this bowl was super cute. It's by the brand India and it was only $15, so it was so much cheaper than the other bowl and they were about the same size. I think the other one was actually a little bit smaller, but I absolutely love this bowl, so I think this is perfect so that I can just throw my keys in there when I get home. And then after that I got this little chill therapy reusable ice bag. My son is in MMA and sometimes he gets hurt and sometimes he just ends up getting like a bag of frozen peas or corn, so this is so so much better for him to use and grab and just fill it up with ice and toss it back in the freezer when he's done. It's also good for me. It is so cute. It has little cherries. It is adorable. That is all I got at HomeGoods, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and go into TJ Maxx and probably Burlington to see if I can find a few other things.